Hey friends, if you encounter the spinning cursor issue after installing Windows 11 KB5050094 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, this is a known bug, and in this case, we have two situations. The first one is that you are yet to download this update, and the next one is that you have downloaded this update and are experiencing this issue. So, in the first case, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and then you can select Pause and then pause it for 5 weeks. Okay, the download pointing arrow. But for now, I will resume the update so that I could show you the further procedure. Click on Update History if you have installed the update. Go to Uninstall Update. I haven't installed it, so I'll show it over a different update. All you need to do is click on Uninstall and uninstall once again. So this is one part, and the second one is that others haven't mentioned about it, but there is one solution that I definitely want to try, and that is to reset Windows Update components. I'll explain later why, but first of all, we will copy the script. I've shared it in the description section of the video. We'll search for command prompt, and then we'll go to run as administrator and paste the script here. I'll tell you what the script exactly does and why it is going to work for sure. So it will stop all Windows Update related components. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the cache files associated with Windows updates in the sense of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLL files associated with it. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart the services. So basically, there is not even a single solution related to Windows updates which is not covered by resetting Windows Update components. Okay, and if this does not work, obviously you can uninstall the update. There's nothing else that you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.